Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So, staphylococcal aureus and the diseases. Actually, staphylococcal aureus is the most common agent for all these diseases. Staphylococcal aureus is the most common agent for skin and soft tissue infection, botryomycosis, tropical polymyositis like staphylococcal aureus. It is the most common agent for uh, osteomyelitis and septic arthritis, especially in the knee. It is the most common agent for post-operative perotitis, paronychia, epidural abscess, surgical wound infection, nematocele. It is also most common agent for furunculitis, folliculitis, carbuncle, mastitis, and hidradenitis suppurativa. So, for all these conditions, Staphylococcal aureus is the most common agent.
thank you and thank you for watching.